Hi, this is Mrs. Serratus. Today we're going to talk about Pamela's Pastry Shop. This is a very typical spreadsheet that a business owner might have. Column A is the different items that Pamela sells in her pastry shop. Column B, how much money she made last year from them. And column C, how much money she made this year from them. Direction number 2 wants us to click on cell D6 and type in the formula equals C6 minus B6. Hit enter. And this just tells us that this year she actually sold $2,500 more in pastries than she did the year before. We want to go ahead and right click and copy that formula all the way down through range D7 to D11. Now I'm going to hit the escape to get rid of the marching ants. This is the formula we typed in, equals C6 minus B6. But when I move down a row, the formula changes, equals C7 minus B7. And it changes again to match the row number that we're in. The other thing I want you to notice is this minus sign. This just tells us that in donuts, Pamela actually lost money. And you could see that. She sold less donuts this year than she did the year before. Now we're going to go back to the directions, and direction number 4 wants us to type in the formula equal D6 divided by B6. And we're doing this in cell E6. Hit enter. We're now getting a decimal answer, and again we want to copy this formula down through range E7 through E11. But this time, instead of doing a right click, copy and paste, I want to do the fill handle. This little box in the corner is called the fill handle. I click on it, I drag it, and voila! It fills the formula all the way down. Next couple directions are review for you. Apply the currency style through B6 to D6, currency style, no decimal. And then range B7 through D11, we're going to apply the comma style with no decimal. Now, direction number 8, we're going to go ahead and highlight E6 through E11, and we're going to apply the percent style with 2 decimals. And number 9 wants us to go ahead and center that. We're now going to highlight range A5 through E5 and apply a fill color, which is the bucket. You could choose one of these colors, or you can go to more colors. When I think of pastries, I think of pink. Now we want to go ahead and apply all borders to range A6 through E11. This is the all borders. There's different types of borders to pick from, but we want this one. And that simply puts a grid around your data. Now you're done with the spreadsheet. I need you to print it out like this, and also go to the Formulas tab and click on Show Formulas to print it out with the formulas. If I do a print preview, first of all I'm going to make sure I'm on landscape. If I do a print preview, I notice that I'm on 2 pages. It doesn't make sense to waste an entire sheet of paper because of one column. Simple fix. Click on Page Setup, make sure you're on the Page tab, and click on the Fit to One Page option. Click OK, and you notice that you're on one page. Now you do this assignment.